how you can do a graphic organizer with Smart Learning Suite Online, or SLSO. I went to my drive, I went to New, More, Smart Learning Suite, and it comes up with this Add Content. So from scratch, I can add a notebook file, a PowerPoint, PDF, or any G Suite file. So any of those you can upload. I'm going to upload right now a one that's sitting on my desktop that is a PDF. So here it is. It's going to import that PDF in so that we can use it as a graphic organizer with our students. So let's give it a second here. So it brought in that PDF. I can add audio here if I need to give them audio directions. Hey class, make sure you have something in all 3 key points and then at least one support under each one. Add it, so I can add the audio. That's easy. Notice when it brings in a PDF, it's automatically locked so it won't move. But if I need to start them with something, first of all, let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see what I'm looking at. If I want to start them with something, say the thesis, okay, it would be as easy as that. Now that's not locked, so the kids will be able to change that, which is fine. All right, I want every kid to have their own, so I'm going to convert this to a handout, and then I'm going to hit finish editing. Once I hit finish editing, this is exactly what it's going to look like on the student side. So the students will be able to zoom in or zoom out if they need to, just like I did earlier. They will be able to click in here and retype in here because it's just a text box. So I could have put a text box everywhere else I needed one. Or the kids will also be able to grab a text box from here and start typing whatever they want to say inside their text box. So that is one way with SLSO to bring in one that's already a PDF, a Google, a notebook, something you've already used in a classroom. You probably already have an electronic copy. If I don't have an electronic copy, I can always screenshot one online, and I'm going to add a new page this time, and I'm going to get rid of this stuff because I'm going to bring in a picture of one that I took. So I click on the mountain, click on select image, and I took a picture of one right here, and there is my Frayer model that I took a picture of. So any screenshot, Command-Shift-4, you can bring in like that. I'm going to lock it so the kids can't move it. Lock it. I'm also going to put in here the word that I want, or the topic, so that they have something. Let's make it a little bigger. All right. And if I want to give them a spot to type on all the other ones, I can, just like I did in slides. Let me duplicate that. Type here. And I'm going to make it a size that they will be able to continue to type. And I'm probably going to say that that needs to be a little bit smaller. So let's make that 24. And now I'm going to duplicate that 4 times so that I have one for each box. Again, when I'm all done, if I want every kid to have their own copy, convert to handout, finish editing, and now they have that Frayer model version as well as the other. So here's the Frayer model one. And it would look the exact same here. So they can also import pictures if they want to, besides just putting in text with their topic. And then if I want to make this a very easy activity for them to use, I'm just going to go share link, grab the student share link, put that in Google Classroom. They do not need one for each copy, that pull down that you get in Google Classroom, because we already set it to be a handout. That means they all get one. So if I put this in the chat, or if I put this inside of Google Classroom, they each get their graphic organizer.